Hi, this is Supreme from Supreme Thoughts Tech. In this video I am going to show you how to boost the performance and speed up Windows 11. So follow the steps given in the video, and if this makes your PC fast, then don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe for more stuff like this. Now let's get started. You can see I am using Windows 11, and it's lagging somewhat. So open Run command by pressing Windows button plus R, then type temp, and press enter. Select all of them, and delete permanently. Now again, open Run, and type %temp%. Now do the same as before. After that, open Run, and type prefetch. Then click Enter. Delete all of them permanently. If your PC has some malware, then clean them by tree command in Run. Do this in regular basis. Now go to Settings by pressing Windows plus I and then to Personalization and then to Device Usage. Keep all of them off. If you are interested in gaming, keep the gaming option as on. Then go to Apps and Features, and uninstall all the unwanted softwares. This will help you ALOT by cleaning the disk space. You can also uninstall them from Control Panel. Go to Settings. Open Offline Maps and then disable it. Now after this, go to Startup and disable all the apps which are not necessary. Remember, don't turn off system apps. Now go to Privacy and Security, and follow my steps. After this whole process, download the RAR file given in the description and extract it. The password is Supreme@123. Note, the S is capital. And now, do the same process shown on the screen. Now go to Storage, in Settings. And on the Storage Sense feature. This is the game-changing factor. Now open the properties of C drive. Then click on Disk Cleanup. Select all of them and delete. You can even optimize drives for better results. So finally, now congratulations, your Windows 11 is a super fast PC now. If you loved it, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon to be notified for every useful video like this. And now it's time to go. Bye bye. See you in another awesome video. Thank you for watching.